In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and create a new site using manage.wix.com. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, this guide will help you get started on creating your very own website with ease. First, you'll want to open your browser and go to wix.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. You'll find yourself directed to the My Sites page where all your current projects are housed. This is your dashboard and a convenient place to manage any site you've created or are working on. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area as it'll be your go-to when managing your websites. Now look at the options available on your account page. You'll find a button labeled Create New Site, usually located prominently on the page. Go ahead and click on that. Starting a new site is an exciting step, and Wix makes it user-friendly so that anyone can follow along. By choosing Create New Site, you're opening up a world of design possibilities and business opportunities right at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to start a chat. Wix has an AI assistant that guides you through setting up your site. To get started, click on Start Chat. This AI assistant is designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. By using artificial intelligence, Wix helps tailor the process to your specific needs, ensuring that your site reflects your vision precisely. You're not alone in this part. The AI is there to lead you through each step with suggestions and enhancements tailored to your preferences. Once the chat is initiated, it's time to dive into the creative part. Here, you can specify exactly what type of design you want for your website. Do you have a specific theme or style in mind? Perhaps a modern minimalist look, or maybe something more vibrant and playful? Whatever it is, enter those preferences in the chat. The AI will use this information to craft a website that aligns with your specifications. It's like having your personal designer, but without the hassle and extra cost. By following these steps, you are on your way to creating a unique and customized site. Remember, the AI assistant is a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your website creation process by taking care of the heavy lifting for you. So feel free to experiment with different design inputs and see how they alter the look and feel of your new site. That's it for today's guide on using manage.wix.com. With these simple steps, you've learned how to create a new Wix site tailored to your specific design preferences using their AI assistant. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!